see me then? Dressed up in neon. Dressed up in neon. Dressed up in neon. There must be someone. Hear that? There must be someone. Hear that? Would care to see me. Hear that? Would dare to take off with a kiss. Can it be you? I'm good in trouble. You are the sweet spot to follow. I'm giving you all I've got to me. There's no tomorrow. I'll change my hair. I'll tell everyone else I'm busy. I'll go on stage. I'll wear that floral dress. Would you see me then? Dressed up in neon. Dressed up in neon. Dressed up in neon. I'm trying to speak. Are your ears ringing louder? But stay with me. I'll bring a wind machine. Would you see me then? Dressed up in neon. Dressed up in neon. Dressed up in neon.
Okay, so I have all these lipsticks. I just want to show you what's in my handbag right now so you understand just how much stuff I wear. So I usually go through either what's, I just think of whatever I fancy, but I usually fancy something either from my handbag or from over here. I leave the ones that I use the most outside. Now what I'll do is, usually I have my coffee and everything with this lip plumper on, but sometimes if I need to straight away be decent, and today for the purposes of the video I'm gonna show you, I would either wear a nude. So I'm gonna show you what I'm wearing right now. I've actually gone back to the rouge volupes that I used to wear when I was, like 10 years ago, like 8 years ago. So I'm gonna show you how that looks, and then I'll give you the option of the one that I've been wearing the most, which is the pink, which you've seen it everywhere, and it looks really beautiful with this makeup. So first, the rouge number 1, classic, one of the best nudes ever. It's just basic nude. I don't always feel so nude, but it's a good option. And especially if you add eyeliner to this look. The problem to add eyeliner to this look, you can't wear the cream shadow, otherwise it goes everywhere. I've tried. The pink rouge volupte, which is the number 9, so I might as well show you. Super beautiful pink, like a Barbie pink, but a little bit dulled, subdued. I saw this interview in the bathroom with Dick Page or his kid or something in Sally Hughes, and he said something that's really important, that's really interesting, that I've written about before, and that is that for colors to be flattering on your skin tone, they have to have an element of dirt or dullness, and it's really hard to find colors that don't have that dullness. I find that Yves Saint Laurent makes that that dullness, that dirtiness really well. And for example, this pink, that's what I would say. It doesn't have the brightness of a clear. It's not a clear color, because skin is not a clear color. It's kind of like grayish. If you try to paint skin, you kind of have to make it gray. So you have to look for stuff that's a bit gray if you want it to be flattering. Now the one that I'm going to use right now, I think, actually I quite like this one. I kind of want to leave this one on, but just to show you the other ones that I've been using this one a lot, Pink Power. I also have Yummy Pink, which is amazing, and I've also been going back to these two, which are kind of like these two. So these are the nude number 10, my favorite nude, and number 7, which is a fuchsia. So I've been wearing that fuchsia a lot. I think I'm just gonna stay with this, and this is just much brighter pink, but it also looks really good. And surprisingly, this lasts quite a bit, even though it's all kind of cream products.